Heyo duckies, Andy Lippy here. I'm going to show you how to use blending modes in OBS. Tap the like button and subscribe, then let's get on with it. Put your rocket for the stone. Blending modes allow you to adjust how sources are displayed on top of each other in your scenes. You may have heard of these in software like Photoshop, and they work pretty much in the same way. To use blending modes in OBS, first select the source you want to adjust in the sources list. This is usually the source on top of your source list. Right-click the selected source, go down to the blending mode option. From the next menu, select the blending mode you want to use. There are several blending mode options available in OBS. You've got normal. This is the default blending mode. The source is displayed on top of the other sources in the scene with no blending applied. Additive. This blending mode adds the brightness of the source to the brightness of the other sources in the scene. This can be used to create a glowing effect. Subtract. This blending mode darkens the overall image by subtracting brightness. Screen. This blending mode displays the source on top of the other sources in the scene, but inverts the colors and multiplies them. This can be used to create a highlighting effect. Multiply. This blending mode multiplies the color of the source with the color of the other sources in the scene. This can be used to create a darkening effect. Lighten. This blending mode will look at the top source and the other sources and keep all the lightest colors. And finally, darken. This blending mode will look at the top source and the other sources and keep all the darkest colors. You can experiment with different blending modes to see which one works best for your particular use case. Speaking of use cases, a good friend of mine, Waldo, will be doing a video here on the channel to help out when my first son is born. So you need to get subscribed and keep your eyes peeled for that. If this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to use blending modes in OBS, then smash that like button and check out other handy tutorials here and put your rocket for the stone.